Vegans, keep scrolling. We're making short ribs. Orange and wine braised short ribs, to be exact. Salt and pepper all sides of the short rib. Oil on medium-high heat. Short rib fat side down. Don't overcrowd your pot and sear it on all sides. This is called developing flavor. Once done searing, remove from the heat. Lower the heat and add some onion, roughly chopped garlic. After a couple minutes, orange zest, orange juice, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Cover this for a couple minutes. Cilantro, oregano, thyme, paprika, little chili flake. Taste it and salt to taste. Let the flavors develop. Once your onions are nice and caramelized, deglaze with some wine and some stock. Salt, pepper, and apple cider vinegar. Only a little bit. Let this come up to a boil. A couple minutes. Once the onions are super tender, remove from the heat and blend until smooth. Not using a handheld mixer, wait until it cools. This is where you taste for salt, pepper, flavor, chili, whatever it may need. Now's your chance. Meat in slow cooker, pour the braise over the meat. Move the meat so it's as covered as possible. 3 hours under low heat.